The Honda CB series has always been a symbol of timeless design, smooth performance, and everyday practicality. In 2026, Honda brings back one of its most iconic names, the CB404. This reboot blends retro charm with modern engineering, creating a motorcycle that appeals to both classic enthusiasts and new-age riders. The 2026 Honda CB404 is not just a motorcycle, it is a tribute to a golden era, reborn with present-day technology. T2 legacy of the CB404. The original CB404 from the 1970s became famous for its unique 4-into-1 exhaust, lightweight structure, and sporty handling. It earned respect for being one of the smoothest small-capacity 4-cylinder bikes of its time. The 2026 version keeps this heritage alive while improving every performance aspect. It carries forward the spirit of simplicity, agility, and everyday usability. To engine and performance, the 2026 CB404 is powered by a newly developed 399cc inline-four engine. Honda focuses on refinement and responsiveness, offering silky, smooth acceleration from low RPMs and a satisfying surge at higher ranges. The engine is tuned for both city commuting and weekend rides, producing a balanced power delivery ideal for riders of all levels. Modern fuel injection, ride-by-wire technology, and improved cooling ensure efficiency and consistent performance in all conditions. A 6-speed transmission with precise gear ratios enhances the riding experience, making the bike suitable for long stretches as well as tight urban routes. To design and styling, the design of the 2026 CB404 pays deep respect to its predecessor. Round LED headlight, sculpted tank, slim profile, and the iconic 4-into-1 exhaust system create a perfect blend of old-school style and modern functionality. Honda keeps the bike visually clean, emphasizing metal elements, polished highlights, and classic lines. The frame is lightweight yet extremely stable, giving riders confidence on twisty roads. With retro-inspired colors and minimalistic graphics, the motorcycle stands out as a premium neo-classic machine. To technology and features. Though it embraces a vintage look, the CB404 is equipped with modern technology. A digital retro hybrid instrument cluster provides essential information without breaking the vintage aesthetics. The bike includes selectable riding modes, traction control, ABS, and an assist slipper clutch for smoother downshifts. Honda also focuses on rider comfort with a redesigned seat, improved suspension tuning, and vibration reduction. USB charging, LED lighting, and optional connectivity features make the motorcycle ready for the modern world. 2. Ride quality and handling. The CB404 is engineered for responsive and controlled handling. A lightweight chassis, well-balanced suspension, and optimized center of gravity help the motorcycle glide through traffic and corner confidently. Whether cruising at moderate speeds or leaning deep into turns, the motorcycle offers stable and predictable behavior. Braking performance is strong and progressive, thanks to dual front discs and advanced ABS calibration. The riding position is neutral, giving comfort during long rides and ease during everyday commuting. 2. Fuel efficiency and maintenance. Honda ensures that the 2026 CB404 remains a practical machine. The refined 4-cylinder engine delivers impressive fuel economy for its class. Low heat generation, smooth operation, and Honda's bulletproof reliability reduce maintenance costs. Service intervals are extended, and parts are designed for long-term durability, making it a cost-effective choice for daily riders. 2. Who should buy this motorcycle? The 2026 Honda CB404 is ideal for riders who appreciate classic motorcycling but want modern reliability and performance. It suits beginners who want a smooth, stable bike and experienced riders who enjoy refined 4-cylinder engines. Commuters, weekend travelers, and retro lovers all find something special in this motorcycle. 2. Conclusion. The return of the Honda CB404 in 2026 is more than just a new model launch. It is a celebration of heritage, engineering, and timeless design. With its perfect mix of retro styling, modern technology, and refined performance, the motorcycle stands as one of Honda's most exciting releases. The CB404 once again proves that classic design never goes out of style, especially when powered by modern innovation.